The state's so-called free kill law is here to stay. Governor Ron DeSantis announcing that he is vetoing a bill that would have allowed more families to file wrongful death lawsuits against hospitals. News Channel 8's Georgia MacArthur joining us live in Tampa. She has more about this. Georgia.
Key supporters say the bill was aimed to close a deadly legal loophole. Governor Ron DeSantis says by vetoing the bill, he was just trying to protect Florida's health care. However, families told us today he's protecting the wrong people.
My son Jojo died, and Florida law allowed it.
My 70-year-old mother died a preventable death.
The stories differ in detail, but the outcome is the same. Family members say their loved ones died in Florida hospitals, and state law still denies them a chance to hold anyone accountable.
One single signature could have restored justice for many families.
The bill aimed to close a legal loophole that prevents some parents and children from suing for non-economic damages like pain and suffering when a loved one dies due to medical negligence.
It would lead to higher costs for Floridians. It would lead to less access to care for Floridians, and it would make it harder for us to keep, recruit, and maintain physicians in the state of Florida.
And so what we saw today is that Governor DeSantis basically said that, our loved ones are acceptable collateral damage in the healthcare system so that we can keep the healthcare and the insurance lobbyists' costs down.
Governor DeSantis says the state needs caps to prevent costly lawsuits and protect access to care. But some families argue those same caps let hospitals avoid accountability.
Well, now all they have to do is have the goal of, let's make it cost more than the caps, and you're right back where you were.
Now, the Senate voted earlier this month, 33-4, to pass this bill. It was a bipartisan decision, so it's unclear if the legislation will bring this up again. For now, the law stands, but advocates say they are going to keep pushing. Reporting live in Tampa, I'm Georgia MacArthur, 8 on your side.